season. Rainy season is also called monsoon season. Monsoon season is a pleasant season. It comes after the summer season. Rainy season begins in June and ends in September. The sky looks like cloudy with heavy black clouds in this season. Everywhere there are sounds of lightning with huge tremendous thunder. Nature looks green and beautiful in this season. Rivers, ponds, lakes become filled with water in monsoon. We often see rainbow during this season. Children love to play in the rain. Farmers work hard in their fields in rainy season. We are protect from monsoon water. We use an umbrella and a raincoat to keep ourselves dry. Beautiful flowers like hibiscus, lotus, jasmine and marigold etc. bloom during monsoons. And the nature gives also different fruits and vegetables like okra, brinjal, tomato and cucumber, peaches, plum, lychee and cherries. In this season, peacocks dance and spread their colorful feathers. Monsoon is the favorite season of people of all age groups like kids, adults and elderly people. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.